Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another RWeb Creations video. Today we're at Jarvis' house because we're going to do a few things to the Purple Beast. So let's go. This is Jarvis.
Hey guys, how are you guys doing?
Tell them what are we going to do today.
Well, I just arrived from the United States, from Miami, and I ordered some things, some minor changes that I want to do. And here you can see that I ordered a Mitsubishi Emblem of Evo9. I like it very much, and I want to shoot out Gen Evo9. Look at his shirt. He's one of the guys of that inspired me to buy this emblem. If you see it on her Evo, on his Evo, it's look awesome. And also I ordered a plug, a rubber plug that for
Going to do a wiper delete today.
yeah, because I don't like this wiper very much and it's rusted, so I want to change it. So let's see.
Today we're going to install a new emblem and a wiper delete. So guys, stay tuned. Let's go.
Alright guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to remove this bolt. It's a 10mm bolt. After we remove this bolt, we're going to take off the wiper bracket, and underneath we're going to find a 22mm bolt that we have to remove also. After we remove that, we have here we have 3 bolts more that we have to take off.
The 3 10mm bolts also.
After we remove that one,
The whole assembly should be able to come out, and pretty much that's it, right?
yeah. Alright guys, so I just removed the bracket wiper and now I'm removing the 22mm bolts that I just told you previously. So alright, we just take it off,
And now
we just
we're ready to remove these 3 bolts right here.
10mm remind.
And when you remove those 3 bolts, the whole assembly should come off. So Jarvis is removing the remaining bolt. As you can see, it's ready to come off. Right. Alright.
And just like
So,
that.
This is your wiper assembly, wiper motor, or the way you want to call it. So we have to remove a few plugs, and then we're ready for to install the delete plug right over there. Let's go. Alright guys, just like that, we have the whole assembly out. Jarvis is ready to install the plug.
Last step.
It's as easy as that.
Done. Alright guys, so now we're going to take off the emblem. To take off the emblem, we just have to remove a screw. That's what I'm doing right now.
We had to remove these clips and what was it, 10mm bolt?
Yeah, 10mm bolts.
So we can move this a
Careful.
bit so we can squeeze. Jarvis can squeeze his hands to remove the old emblem.
Yep, just like that. It's already removed, so now we're going to install the new one.
As you can see guys, we have the emblem side to side. This is the old one, scratched, faded. The new one, nice. Are we ready to put the new one on?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Let's go.
Alright, the first step is done. Now we have to tighten the screw again, and we're ready. Right, so now it's tight. So how you can see, it's ready, brothers, guys.
Now we have to just put the clips and the bolts back, and that's pretty much it. Easy.
So guys, here we can see the two emblems. This one is a original one, a OEM one from an Evo7, and this one is a OEM one from an Evo9.
So you switch up to an Evo9 emblem.
Yeah, it's look nicer, aggressive.
It has like a black background.
Yep.
Looks nicer than the Evo7 stock one. There you have it, guys.
So that right now we're going to take a ride. Keep ending.
Yeah. Guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please hit that like button. If you want to see more of these cool videos, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you can be up to date with new videos that's coming in the future. Jarvis, you have something to say?
Hey guys, I hope you guys like the video. I want to shout out Gen Evo9. Follow him on Instagram also. Shout out to him.
Yeah.
You guys saw the emblem. Well, he was the one that inspired me to do that. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And like my brother said, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that alert button. Guys, till next time.
Keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.